may see that all times
It's cheaper. It's great that one of my pictures now you can mix the pictures.
Once again, our next stop, Tomorrowland.
Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we steam on through Fantasyland, you may want to take one more look at the majestic Matterhorn Mountain and the happiest cruise that ever sailed. It's a small world.
If you really want to, you can tell me now. I would do it if you asked for it, but I wasn't offering it up. That's basically what my stance was on that.
Folks, ahead of us lies the future. Well, I guess we all know that. What I mean to say is, we're heading into Tomorrowland, where everything is possible. If you look over here, you might catch a glimpse of a monorail. When Disneyland introduced the monorail back in 1959, it was the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. Winding below us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of a car and no license is required. If you've ever wanted to become an astronaut, then you might want to stop at Space Mountain and Star Tours, where they got some newfangled flying spaceships that'll launch you into the deepest reaches of space. And you can ride them if you got the mind and the nerve.
And ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching Tomorrowland Station. This will be your stop for Hyperspace Mountain, Star Tours, Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters, the Astro Orbiter, Autopia, Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage, and the Disneyland Monorail. If you will be departing here, as always, we ask that you please stay seated until the train has come to a full stop before exiting the train. Welcome to Tomorrowland, folks.